this giant piece of metal was sticking up, burst one of our tires straight up, so we've lost a tire. The bus is somewhere out there on 5, not 6 tires. A fire engine comes in behind us, and it's like, get the fuck out of the way. And we was like, oh my god, like we need to go.
In 1941, 3 adventurers completed the Pan American Highway in a wildly unsuitable car. Now, we're retracing their steps in an even more unsuitable choice, a school bus. We bought the bus, spent a month building it, and now, along with a motley crew of friends, hitchhikers, and strangers, we're setting out to explore how the cultures, landscape, and the journey itself have evolved over the past 75 years. If successful, we'll be the first to navigate the full length of the Pan American Highway in a school bus. There's no support crew, just us, our bus, and the wildest adventure we've ever attempted.
Because they asked us, where are you going? And we told them what they have done is they have registered us as going to Costa Rica, not staying in Nicaragua. So all of us can stay in Nicaragua for 90 days. They said the bus can stay for 2.
Oh my god. Okay, but we should be able to amend this. They should be able to amend
I don't know. I don't know. There's no promises. So yeah, just prepare for the long haul. We're gonna be here for a bit. Play some games.
So our options are like, after a couple of days in Leon, drive back here, leave, come back in, and get 3 more days. But it also might just be a bit of fuckery of like, before we leave Leon, come here, reset, and then go. And then as our next 3 days are coming towards the end, will be like a couple of hours from Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Thanks everyone for your patience. That was wild.
We are officially 5 hours here. No, it's still running.
So yeah, go left, low and slow. So far, Nick?
Well, pretty good. Apparently we're slow.
This guy's got places to be. My days. Every time I'm like, is this the one? Yeah. Is this the one where it just falls? Jesus Christo. We found the best parking in the entire city. Turns up and they're like, oh, we don't do parking anymore. Yep. With this giant open space. All right, so we're kind of screwed. We have to head through in the town to get out. One tight turn, this giant piece of metal was sticking up, burst one of our tires straight up, so we've lost a tire. The bus is somewhere out there on 5, not 6 tires. A fire engine comes in behind us, and it's like, get the fuck out of the way. And we was like, oh my god, like we need to go back and forth really quickly to get out of the way. In this whole catastrophe, we scraped this woman's car. Honestly, not that badly, but enough that we should attend to it. Yeah. And so she's like screaming like, you can't get the bus out of the way, and we're blocking traffic, and we're like, we have to get the bus out of the way. The traffic guy was like, we'll just put the bus over there. So we stayed to figure out the situation with the woman, which was fine in the end, and then the bus is now somewhere in Leon. What were you looking at?
I thought it was we only broke small cars' tires, but no, we can do buses as well.
But it's not that hard, right? This is just like that. Yeah. It's like that. What?
Oh, no, okay.
about to do volcano boarding. Nick looks fabulous. He also looks fabulous.
So that's our bus, and that's the bus they're going to take us in.
We just found out they don't even have their own buses. They rent buses. They didn't even bring their own bus from Minnesota. Like, how?
God, does it get cooler than that?
It does. Hey, you sound ready to go.
Bounce to the rhythm if you know you gotta flow. Synchronize the steps if you want it. Is that right? Bounce to the rhythm if you know you gotta flow. Synchronize the steps if you wanna get low. Isn't it nice when the people go away? Only you and me and the rest they go astray. Say it to my ears so my body goes slow. Goosebumps on my face when you know you got a hold on me. Hold on me.
Tengo 60. Oh, he's 60 years old.
Okay.
Camioneta conductor. 3 años. 30. Oh, 30. He's been a bus driver for 30 years.
Oh, wow.
La derecha, la derecha, la derecha. Right. Un poquito más.
Esta y esas son perfil bajo.
Es usado, ¿sí?
Pero esas son perfil bajo.
Ajá.
Well, he's saying, I think he's saying it's going to cost like 2,000 Cordoba and like
$30 to $50 or something.
So my body goes so cool, smiles on my face when you know you got it on me.
Bien? Perfect. Man, this guy has just been so fucking helpful. I definitely don't want to take the bus parking spot.
He's like, fuck this, fuck that,
Yeah.
move your fucking bike.
Here.
Oh, it's
that's
his bike.
Oh, that's great. Oh.
This guy's a
Yeah, I know
genius.
that.
Bounce to the rhythm if you know you gotta go. Synchronize yourself so you're
Just giving
It's so
Nick
bad.
a little bit of a...
It's like my...
Dripping that much?
Yeah. It's so gross.
How come you're hanging that here by the front?
I think we decided that maybe two people up front turning corners in cities might be a beneficial idea.
Yeah, what time did you guys get back last night?
1:30.
Still 30?
1:30 or so.
1:30. Oh, nice. Got that Floridian guy?
Yeah,
Oh,
little
okay.
guy Lenny.
Yeah.
He's he was talking about how our group is just a lot of fun and that they normally don't get a lot of like, they get a lot of tourists. Obviously, a lot of people are just, but not like genuinely fun. Like we kind of like we had like it was very. I don't know. He just really enjoyed our group.
Oh, okay. Well, it's within the steering wheel, I have vibrations, whereas before, like going at this speed, I wouldn't have anything.
Yeah.
I can't tell if it's the road or if it's the tires. It's actually-
Did you change speed just then?
I just moved it up to 50, and then being back down to 45. Yeah, feels better at 50. Am I able to go? I'm really excited about where this is going to be. So I'm going to bring it up that way. I don't think I'm going to make that, am I? So we are at De La Torre Hotel in Nicaragua, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a money laundering scam. Like, it's really nice, and it's got a gym, it's got a pool, and it's very fancy. They got smooth jazz playing as you walk in, but it's the cheapest place in town. Only like $1 more to stay. Like it would be $1 more to stay here than it is to stay at like a hostel. Comes with 2 free meals, yeah. So yeah, I don't really know. This is weird me out, but I mean, we're in a really nice place.
Does it work?
No,
I saw a lot of
I don't
reviews
think
saying they don't work, so that's why.
Netflix.
What the fuck is this place?
And also, why is there no label? Are you sure? No.
20, Mimi.
I'm No, there's a Mimi and a me.
And 21, me.
Say it! Don't say it!